Hi everyone! Paper, scissors and magic is here with a new custom. In fact, we are gonna make two customs today, Mario and Princess Peach. So, without hesitation, let's get started. So first we are gonna make Princess Peach. I'm painting my Fluttershy figure with some beige color that looks like light skin. Here we go. And let's paint the eyes. I'm using a lot of white for the base and also black for lining. We need nice long eyelashes, just like this. Then I'm painting the pupils. And adding some nice blue for beautiful blue eyes. Some highlights. And done! Look at these beautiful eyes! Let's make beautiful pink dress for our pony. I'm using soft air dry clay and it's really soft, so I have to just spread it out, smoothing everything together. Then I'm making a skirt, just a simple one, a couple of folders, like this. I'm not sure it's gonna be enough, so let's try. Okay, here we go. I'm trying to attach everything together. And I can see that it looks kind of poor. So probably we need another skirt. But first, I want to use some darker pink on the bottom on the first one. Let's make the second skirt, maybe it'll help. Okay, trying it out. And yes, it does look better. Now I'm making sleeves. Some details with dark pink. Alright. I keep working on the skirt, just being very careful around wings. I'm making the necklace, just a bit of yellow and a bit of blue. Alright, it looks like a nice, beautiful dress. Time for the hair. I'm making some kind of spiky shapes and attaching them to the pony's head. One by one, it takes a while, but it's worth it. I'm just being creative, not really thinking to be accurate. And yellow heart on top. Alright, that looks nice. Now I'm making the shoes using dark pink air dry clay. Just spreading it. Really easy. Let's add a jam. Time for the crown, because she is a princess. Alright, looks great. And the tail. Good old spiky shapes. We need about 3 or 4. Oh, I forgot about jam on top of the crown. Looks better. So Princess Peach is ready. It's Mario's turn. Let's get rid of all this hair and paint the entire pony with some kind of dark beige. I'm using red for his shirt and blue for overalls. Let's add some clay for the details. Just spreading it. Number 1 and number 2. Alright. Making some belt. And sleeves. Now let's paint it so we have identical colors. Two yellow pieces for buttons. And I guess we are done with the outfit. So let's make the boots. It's not very easy. It just doesn't look right to me. Okay, let's do like this. Looks better. Let's paint the eyes. A lot of white. Some lining. No eyelashes this time. I'm painting the pupil. Alright. And blue color for iris. Adding highlights. And done. I decided to add eyebrows. And of course the mustache. I'm making a cup out of red air dry clay. Let's try it out. And add hair on the back. gonna fix it and make it a little bit bigger. Okay, this looks okay. I'm making a tail, just a bit of brown air dry clay. Let's try. Alright. Now I'm painting big M on top of the cap. Wow, that looks great! And Maria is done! That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and I'll see you very soon with a new custom.